Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing terrific. In today's video, we're looking at some curbside offers. A lot of this has to go with two boosters that are stacking. A lot of cosmetic deals and a lot of great items if you love all things beauty. So just to explain this, it is a curbside pickup. So what you're doing is through the Walgreens app, desktop computer, cell phone, or tablet, you are hitting the button on the left-hand side with the red check, ordering this stuff, driving to the store and getting it. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. And often the items are a little bit cheaper and you can use discount codes with. So there is some perks to doing it. Now, if you are a shopper that is old school and you're all about going in the store and doing it the old-fashioned way, on Sunday I did a haul in store showing different deals. You might want to check it out. I will link it at the end. And we even have some 90% off toothpaste, these double packs for like a really good deal, like $1 and some change. So you might want to check that out. And another video that I published on Monday, it's this one. It is the Dollar General clearance event that's happening this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So March 1st to the 3rd. If you're a Dollar General shopper, check it out. And if you are a very avid Walgreens shopper and you're like, I don't like the Dollar General, you might want to check it out. There's some very basic deals, easy to follow. This clearance event only happens a couple times a year when there's an additional 50% off of their clearance merchandise. If you like getting things very cheap or free, this is the video for you. I will also link it at the very end. Okay, so deal number one, we are stacking these two boosters, a 10 back when you spend 30 on beauty products and a 7 back when you spend 25. That's $17 back when you spend 30, which is amazing. Now, if you do not like the items that I'm picking out, if you look at any beauty items on the app and look below, you see the middle one where it says 10 back when you spend 30 on select beauty. Look for that specific verbiage below whatever beauty product you're looking for. And again, if you don't like if you're more of a Revlon lady or if you just want to get NYX makeup, look for that below the items that you're tossing into your basket to actually get your 10 back when you spend 30. Okay, so in this basket, we're going to grab two of these number 7 Instant Illusion Wrinkle Filler for $15.99. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off, and we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have this guy loaded. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of these quads by CoverGirl, very cute little eyeshadow pack for $13.58. We have this digital coupon, which is a 6 off of 2. That is $16 right there in digital coupons, showing you the magic. There's an extra code that you could throw in, save 15 for the number 7 along with WAG 10. So that's kind of different here. So looking at your total, it's $37.56. The Walgreens coupon is $2.86 coming off, so it's not going to affect your $30 basket. Free curbside pickup and $2 in tax and $16 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, pay $20.78. And then you're getting back $17.37. If you are not factoring in the tax, it's basically close to free. I mean, it's just amazing. Any way you slice it or dice it, what a deal. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, it's another beauty deal. We're going to need our friend, the 10 back when you spend 30 and the 7 back when you spend 25. These boosters are of a one-time use, so pick wisely which deal you prefer to do, for this week. For this one, we're going to do something very simple. We're going to throw in 3 of these L'Oreal Paris mascaras for $32.97 in a basket. We have a 7 off 2, which is a very generous coupon. There's a lot of L'Oreal coupons, just throwing that out there. And then we also have a $3 off of a mascara product. So that's $10 in coupons right there, which is really fantastic. Showing you the coupons melting off, and then WAG 10 taking another $2.30 off. So a little bit of melting happening there. The overall basket is $32.97, $2.30 coming off. You're still at that $30 threshold. Free curbside pickup and tax, and $10 melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $22.51 and then get back $17 in Walgreens cash. So if you love L'Oreal Mascara, this is definitely a stock up. I know that they do have some fun colors, like they have a light blue and a couple other ones. That's very Princess Diana 1980s. But it's not only black, they even have like a brown black one, which is really nice, along with traditional black. Okay, so deal number 3, we're going to be shaking things up. We're still using one booster, which is a 7 back when you spend 25. And for this one, we're going to be going with the Olay Super Serum. A lot of you love this lotion, and I am part of that group as well. We're going to throw 2 of the big ones in there for $69.98. We have a $10 off and a $5 off, so make sure you have both of those loaded. Very generous coupons. And with the Olay Super Serum, it is to spend 45, get 15 back. So that is really fantastic. And then just to show you the coupons coming off, we have a 10 off and then the 5 off. And then with WAG 10, an extra $5.50 off. So your total is almost $70. WAG 10 taking $5.50 off, free curbside pickup, $15 melting off. With your debit card, pay $53.35, and then you're getting back $22.69. But hang on to your hat for a second. There is a rebate that when you spend $30 in Olay products after coupons and all that stuff, and you are well past that, you're going to get a $10 Visa gift card. So it makes it, like $8 and some change for each. This is the website, and it's still active. It is to spend $30 to get back a $10 e-gift card. So follow that site below. It's not on P&G Good Every Day. It's this pnggroceryward.com promotion, fresh routine. Please make sure that you get a receipt so you can photograph it to this rebate app. You're going to have to ask the cashier you need a receipt, and you're going to have to probably mention that they have to run the receipt through a regular register, not the handheld Zebra, so you can get the physical receipt. So you're going to have to mention that to participate to get the receipt for this promotion. Okay, the final deal that we're looking at is a little bit of meat and potatoes, one that you can actually use Walgreens cash. 2 of these $5 Colgate Sensitive toothpaste for $10 on the nose. We have a 5 off of 2 digital. Load this. $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, so that's a little bit of frosting on the cake, as they say. We're also going to throw in one of these Downy Rinse and Refresh for $7.49. This is actually a fabulous product for laundry. If you've never tried it, it's great for towels. And load this guy. I recently gave my mother-in-law one, and she's done her towels like twice, and she's like, this stuff is magic in a bottle. And then we're also throwing in this guy to make sure that the math balances. If you want to grab a candy bar, go for it. I'm just going with something keto friendly. So just to show you, Colgate, Downy, and then WAG 10 for an extra 57 cents off. And then just to show you the overall basket, it's $18.28. WAG 10 taking 57 cents off, free curbside pickup, $7.54 melting off for the total of $11.23. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.23, and then you're getting back $4 for buying 2 of the Colgates. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.